What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm sure y'all can tell about the title, but we got another unboxing. It's like 36 pounds. I don't know if I'm gonna put the items in the title, but we'll see. But make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell for future videos. And yeah, I'm about to grab it real quick. All right, let's just drag this out here. And random as hell, but your boy been trying to start smoking cigs, know what I'm saying? So this is that strawberry brew. Yeah, strawberry brew. It's like a sativa. I honestly think I'm gonna film this on the porch. I don't know why, but I'm not feeling this whole driveway situation right now. And my last bundle that I got, it was supposed to be like 14 items and I only got 11. So yeah, I hope this is 18 pieces as the box says. All right, let's get this over. My hair is all in my Facebook. Dread hair shit. Boom. That's the top angle. I would give y'all an angle, but I don't feel like taking my phone off. So let's just go through it. All right, first item on top. Let's see. This is a Ski Teak International Men's XL. Clean little Ski Teak. Oh, hope y'all can see that good. Ski Teak. They put the cool ones on top probably. This one's plain on the Gitano tag, size medium. Show y'all this huge tag. Cool one. It is July, and I'm buying jackets right now. But I sell jackets all the time, you know. That's why I've never seen anybody say, so I always say seasons don't matter, you know, because I sell jackets all year. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out. This is Talbots. I'm gonna have to give this away. Talbots. I guess. This is a big one. John Wheat. I know this is 80s because I just bought an M65 camouflage jacket off of Depop, and the seller took a long time to ship, so he was like, oh, I'm gonna just throw you in a free item. And it was a vest, and this was the brand John Wheat or John White. I searched the brand and it was 80s, so I know this is for sure 80s. John Wheat. Does have a hole on the back though. And let's see what we got right here. This looks like some kind of blazer, huh? Liz Sport. This is another women's Liz Claiborne, I think. Another women's probably. Let's see. Union Bay. Size large. This is probably an 80s tag for sure. I don't really like this. What the hell? I know for sure it's women's because I think it has shoulder pads. Yeah, that's probably another women's. I don't really upload women's. I don't know. It's just not my. I'm not feeling it right now, you know. Too many flimsy items and everything. I'm just not feeling it. This Bray Fair. Never heard of it. B-R-A-E. I don't. This one is a London Fog. think this is like an 80s tag. It's like 70s or 80s tag. It's like a peach color. Mother Karen's, cotton rayon, nylon, down feathers, white goose feathers. Yeah, that's a nice one. Size 14, women's. So it does have some little feathers in it. It has a little hole at the bottom. Alright, what's this one? This one is Sub-Zero. That one's clean right there. I like that one. Steep slopes. Steep slope ski wear. This is the cleanest tag ever. Cleanest tag. Too clean. That one has a big tag. I don't know why I keep buying jackets. It's too hot for this shit. Talbots, I'm guessing. SM2. I don't know. SM2. %61 down waterfowl feathers. So yeah, that's a good one. This is Ozark Trail. This is like probably 90s, low key, not 80s. Looks light navy blue. Alright, what's this? Crosswinds. What's this? Oh, another London fog. I didn't know it was gonna be 2 London fogs in here. This one has a hood on it. Oh yeah, that one's clean right there. With the brown in the hood. Let's see the material though. Cotton polyester. Simple. See, this is the last one. I went through that quick. Last one. This one is called Weather Watcher. Size large. Watcher tag. But I'm probably about to lay all this out and, you know, give me a little Instagram post. But I need to count them and see if it's 18, so let's see. Alright, we got 18 pieces this time. We all good. Ooh, but I'm about to go lay all this out in the driveway. Just to take me a little IG pic, know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Alright, it's hot as hell. 92 degrees in Louisiana. And I got it laid out. Alright, this is all of Sheesh. It's just 18, that's it. So many. I gotta take pictures of the tags, everything. And some are women's, you know, I don't really upload, like the Brayford. I think that one's like Mirage. Talbot, still cool though, still cool. London Fogs. Goes all the way up the driveway. All right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and by the time y'all see this video, all of this is gonna be uploaded on Etsy already. But yeah, like I said before, hit that like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, I'm about to get up out of here. Make sure y'all ring that bell, hit that hype, know what I'm saying? And once y'all see this, everything is gonna be on Etsy already. So hit that link in my description to purchase any items you see in any videos, unless it's sold out already. I'll see y'all next Friday, and we out.
Preview.